The quality engineering landscape has come a long way over the years. To understand the inner workings of the quality engineering world, who better to tell us than the person who's navigated every step of this way with absolute ease? The boss of quality engineering, our Executive Vice President, Srikanth Manoharan. Thank you for taking the time to come and share your insights with us. The quality engineering landscape is constantly evolving. What game-changing trends do you see shaping the future of quality engineering, and how is India ready to lead the way?
So I've been in this industry for last 25 years, probably means in the jury. So I've seen this transition from manual testing, how people used to test before. Then the automation era came into existence for the last 10 years. So now the industry is evolving how to leverage AI to do more aggressive testing per se. I think Indium is well poised in that space because we do have our data and analytics practice where we derive a lot of energy from them and knowledge from them, where we create solutions based on AI, use AI to test AI. That's the mantra that we are following at Indium, I would say.
What are some biggest challenges the quality engineering space is facing these days?
I would say one of the evergreen challenge I would say is the time given for quality team to do their own testing. And that was shorter even in the past because of the advent of low code and no code. The time frame is even more shortened. So we also has to face this challenge. We have to use a lot more aggressive automation. We do a lot of shift of testing, and now we are inventing new themes based on Gen AI to reduce this effort even more, to upbeat the industry.
How is the role of a quality engineering professional evolving? What skills and expertise are becoming more crucial than ever?
You asked this question 10 years back. I told you, the team will learn more automation skill per se, the LLMs of the world or the task of the world. But now the industry is driven by Gen AI teams, so prompt engineering is becoming a center stage. My team to learn these skills to use the likes of ChatGPT or a Claude to derive out the answers, the edge cases from the Gen AI, so-called Gen AI platforms, and convert them as test cases. So I have a boot camp where we train people on prompt engineering.
How will AI and ML shape the future of quality engineering? And as an EVP of QA, how does the Indium advantage help a customer?
Let me break this question into two pieces. One is testing the AI, use AI, right? We are already there in using AI to test the application. For example, the solution that we built leverages a lot of Gen AI quotient to build solutions using AI to speed up cycling, reduce effort, and so on and so forth. But the industry itself is in the nuanced stage in terms of testing the AI model because that is at the data scientist level. Now it is slowly tripping down to the testers level where the testers has to think like a data scientist and test the models. We are still at the nuanced stage in terms of testing the LLM models right now, where we leverage the models to test the accuracy of the LLM model, to test the bias of the model. Those are the areas that we are evolving as a practice. But I think we are thinking in the right direction. In probably another 2 years' time, we'll get there.
Shift left testing is growing focus. How can Indium solutions help organizations integrate quality assurance practices earlier in the development cycle?
Wonderful question. This is one question that's lingering in the industry for the last 10 years. I mean, we always try to attempt it, but we don't be successful in that space. But as we speak in the last 2 years, a principle called model-based testing is evolving. I think more and more vendors and more solution companies are thinking in the direction where we create models right from day one in terms of when we look at the requirements, when you look at the design, we start creating the models. And then model becomes the central stage in the testing. That way we can test the application much faster in the life cycle. And we are also thinking about automation first journey, where we think about automation even before the development is completed, where we get engaged even in the unit testing phase where we can automate things. That is how the industry is evolving. But as and when more and more AI comes into space, this pace of shifters will be even more shift, the most cycle. We'll also do a shift right where we can do a lot of dissection in the post-production cycle. I think the industry is evolving in 360 direction, I would say.